Twinkle, twinkle, distant star. To help unravel what we are, astronomers have discovered the most faraway in space or time star yet. A super hot, super bright imaginary that formed nearly 13 billion years ago at the dawn of the cosmos. But this luminous blue star is long gone, so massive that it almost certainly exploded into bits just a few million years after emerging. Its swift end makes it more incredible that an international team spotted it with observation by the Hubble Space Telescope. It takes a very long period of time for light emitted from distant stars to reach us. Fastest growing black hole in 9 billion years visible from backyard. The black hole is said to shine 7,000 brighter than all the light from our own galaxy, making it visible to well-equipped backyard astronomers. According to Onke, astronomers have been searching for such phenomena for more than 50 years, and surprisingly this astonishingly bright black hole remained unnoticed. NASA counts days to first look at burning, lava-coated super-Earth. 55 Kenway is about 50 light-year from the Earth and fewer than 1.5 million miles from its sun-like star. Compared to our solar system, that's 1 by 25th the distance between our Sun and Mercury. It takes 55 Cancri just 18 hours to revolve around its star. Compared to the 365 days it takes Earth to go around our Sun.